Hello, Alina Faye Edward here. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel again. So in this tutorial, we are going to sew our corset, Basque corset dress. So I did a casing. I just cut half an inch and fold it into two to make a casing for my corset, and I've already covered my breast cup. If you do not know how to do this, kindly watch my video that I dropped about covering your breast cup. So let's start with our sewing of our casing. So the spacing is 75, which is 3/4. Yes, because my boning is half an inch. So I just want to make sure that I should be able to pass it through. So it's a spacing of 3/4 what I'm sewing now. And make sure you sew to the edge as possible. Yes, it has to be at the very edge of your casing. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. Share with family and friends as well. Drop a comment, questions are very much allowed. And also don't forget to like, that will show that you want to see more of this content. So I have done one part and I'll do the second part as well, the middle one, so that you should be able to see. Let's just try to see if it's able to go through. As you can see, it went through just fine. So that is what we need. Let me just do the second one quickly so that you should see. But after that, I'll just finish it off camera, and then I'll show you. The reason is I do not want this tutorial to be too long. So the parts that I feel like they're not necessary, I'll just do it off camera. Okay, as long as you have seen how you can do it yourself at the very edge of the casing, that is what matters. So let me just finish off and then I'll show you the final look. After here, I'm going to attach our breast cup to our corset, basque corset top. And if you haven't watched my drafting, how we drafted the corset, please kindly do so. I dropped a video 2 days ago about it. So make sure you watch that before you come here. So this is the finished one. I've already done both front and the back. The back will be short. It's only the front that is going to be basque. And now I'm going to attach our breast caps. So the attachment of the breast cups, now I'll just spin, but I'll do it offline so that we should be as quick as possible. So wherever I'm going to put the pin, I'll take half an inch. Remember, when we did our pattern drafting, we added half an inch inside, so that we should be able to use that as our seam allowance. So I'm going to do just that. This is a practical practical side of it. If you have your pattern drafted, this is the time that you have to sew along with me. It's that easy. It's better too. I'm so sorry for that noise. I don't know where it is coming from, but I'm really sorry. You will forgive me for that. Let's continue. Now I managed to sew it together, to stitch it together. This is what we have for both breast caps. Yeah, so when I'm done, I'll also just put the bands inside underwire. This is the boning that we are going to use. It is half an inch. So I'm going to start cutting the necessary boning for each part, and I'll measure. Just take note, when you are putting your boning, you do not insert the actual size, the actual length. Rather, cut a little bit, half an inch. Like for example, if your boning for a particular casing is, let's say, 7 inches, make sure it is 1 inch shorter, which is, that means it's going to be 6 inches. But also another thing, you have to sharpen the ends of your boning. So I'll show you all that. I just wanted to cut everything, so I'll show you what I mean. So this is, you cut a little bit of half and then you sharpen it, because you have to have a sharp end. It has to, it shouldn't be that flat. You have to sharpen it. So as you can see, I managed to cut the ends and then sharpen this. This is how it's supposed to be. So let's just try to put it in. And when you are putting in also, the bended side should be up, should face up, so that it should lift the basque corset. And as you can see, by the time that I will be done putting all the boning, you will see the actual effect of the corset. So interesting. This is so interesting. So as you can see, it's already shaping out with just one. Can you imagine? Just one boning, it's already shaping. This thing is so exaggerating. Yeah, so I will sharpen all my boning and then fix them, put in the necessary casing. So let's do that without wasting too much of our time. Guys, make sure you don't watch this for free. Do me a favor, show me some love by clicking on the notification bell, so that you should be the very first one to watch my videos when I upload. You should be notified at least, and make sure you like, so that you show YouTube that you want more of this content. Okay, and like and comment. Please don't forget to comment. Let's engage. Maybe you're a beginner and you would like to learn more, not only about the corset. I have a lot of videos on my channel, like how to draft a basic bodice pattern, how to all the necessary sewing tools that you need to start your journey, and also a beginner guide on everything that you need to know about sewing if you are interested to learn how to sew. No one should tell you that you cannot learn how to sew online. I really learned everything on YouTube. Everything I'm sharing now, I learned it here on YouTube. So if I did it, you can also do it. It's not impossible. Okay, you just need to have your data, be dedicated to what you are doing, focused and determined. It didn't take me a long time for me to learn, but now I'm telling you, I'm well experienced. Some years down the line, I'm able also to teach. So we're done with the casing. I believe you saw everything. And then now I'll just underline our basket where we want it to be. We are going to put I'm going to do the casing, the guidelines. Remember our pattern drafting. When we're drafting, I also showed you the skirt, how we are going to cut it. So now this is the actual practice that we are now transferring our pattern to the real thing. So I'll just take my tailor's chalk and highlight where the basket will fall. Normally it's 4 inches after your waistline, which is 21. But then when I'm done with this, I'll add half an inch to this skirt, so that we should use that half an inch to sew our basket. So I'll just measure half an inch, so that we should be able to use that to sew our basque, and then I'll also not show you how I'm going to show it. I'll just do it off camera, so that this video, like I've said, it shouldn't be that long. I'll show you the final look when I'm done sewing. I believe this shouldn't be very difficult, but if you would like me to do another tutorial showing you how to actually attach it to the skirt, you will also let me know. So this is it. Let me just cut it, and then I'll show you the final look after I've attached it together. Yeah, this is it. See how cute. Cute. See how cute it is looking. Wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, so this is our basket, and then I'll take our back view and we are going to sew it together. This is our back view. If you are interested, there is a video that I'm going to drop 2 days after today, showing you how you can create the back view of the corset. Now I'm going to attach it together, and then I'll show you the final look with the star. Okay, this is our final look. Look at this, so beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I believe you have learned one or two things. This is our final look, you guys. Oh, I'm so impressed. Yeah, until next time, make sure you stay safe. Okay, bye.